This video will show you how to give an allowance in a reservation. Allowance means discount that is given post-night audit. Allowance could be an additional discount being given to a guest. Hotelogix lets you manage allowances easily in the account statement. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation in which you want to give an allowance. Click Payments in the context menu that shows up. The reservation opens in a new tab. In the Account Statement panel, click hyphen under Disk/Allowance. The Allowance panel opens up. Note that the allowance can be added either in amount or in percentage. Enter allowance in percentage here. You can type in reason related to the allowance as a free text in the reason box. Click Save. Please note that allowance now shows up under Disk Allowance column and the charges get updated. This brings us to the end of the video on how to give an allowance in a reservation.